If you're a senior living alone, and by the time dinner arrives, you have almost nothing left, no energy, no motivation, and honestly no desire to stand in the kitchen for an hour just to eat alone. This video was made for exactly that moment. Tonight, I'm going to show you 7 completely no-cook dinners built specifically for seniors living alone. Real food, real nutrition, ready in minutes, on the evenings when even opening it can feels like too much. Here is what most people never say out loud. Dinner is the most important protein meal of the day after 60. Not breakfast, not lunch. The protein your body receives in the evening is what it uses overnight to repair muscle tissue while you sleep. Miss that window consistently, and muscle loss accelerates silently whether you feel it or not. Every dinner in this video was chosen with one thing in mind: your actual evening. Not a kitchen full of energy. Not motivation you do not have. Just you, whatever is in your refrigerator, in 10 minutes. You do not need a full kitchen to eat well tonight. Dinner number 1. Tuna and avocado rice bowl. Open a can of tuna. Drain it. Spoon a portion of pre-cooked, microwave rice into a bowl. 2 minutes in the microwave, and it is done. Place the tuna on top. Slice half an avocado alongside. A drizzle of olive oil. A pinch of salt. That is your dinner. No stove. No pan. No standing. Ready in 4 minutes from the moment you walk into the kitchen. 1 can of tuna combined with half an avocado delivers 28 grams of complete protein alongside omega-3 fatty acids and potassium. 3 things your body specifically needs more of after 60, not less. And here's something most people have never been told about omega-3s specifically. After 60, arterial walls naturally stiffen during the overnight hours, increasing the workload on your heart while you sleep. Omega-3 fatty acids consumed at dinner directly reduce that arterial stiffness during the night. Every bowl of this dinner is quietly protecting your cardiovascular system while you rest. Not a supplement, not a medication. Dinner. If standing at a counter, even for 4 minutes, feels like too much on certain evenings, this bowl can be assembled entirely sitting down. Everything comes from a can, a pouch, and a refrigerator. Nothing requires heat, preparation, or effort beyond opening and placing. No avocado at home tonight. Sliced cucumber works perfectly alongside. No pre-cooked rice. A handful of plain crackers underneath the tuna delivers the same satisfying base. Some evenings, you simply need dinner to take care of itself. This one does exactly that. Dinner number 2. Cottage cheese and roasted pepper flatbread. Lay a flatbread flat on a plate. Spread a generous layer of cottage cheese across the entire surface. Open a jar of roasted peppers and lay several pieces on top. A drizzle of olive oil. A pinch of black pepper if you like. Slice it into pieces or eat it whole. That is your dinner. No heat required. No pan to wash. Ready in under 3 minutes. Half a cup of cottage cheese spread across a flatbread delivers 16 grams of protein alongside calcium and vitamin C from the roasted peppers. A combination that works together in a way most seniors never realize. Vitamin C directly enhances calcium absorption in the body. So every bite of this dinner is delivering more usable calcium to your bones than the cottage cheese alone ever could. And here is what most people have never connected about calcium after 60. Research shows that calcium absorption in the body is significantly more efficient in the evening hours than in the morning, due to the natural rhythm of parathyroid hormone that regulates calcium uptake throughout the day. That glass of milk at breakfast is doing far less for your bones than a calcium-rich dinner eaten quietly at the end of the day. If evenings feel like the hardest part of living alone, the hour when the house is most quiet and the effort of cooking feels most unnecessary, this flatbread is the answer to that specific moment. It looks assembled with care. It feels like a real dinner, and it asked almost nothing from you to get there. No roasted peppers in the jar. Any soft topping works. Sliced olives, sun-dried tomatoes, or even a handful of baby spinach laid across the cottage cheese. No flatbread. Any bread, any cracker, any soft wrap delivers the same result. Dinner should never feel like a punishment for living alone. This one does not. Dinner number 3. Smoked salmon and cream cheese wrap. Lay a soft tortilla flat on a plate. Spread 2 tablespoons of cream cheese evenly across the surface. Lay 3 or 4 slices of smoked salmon on top. Add a few thin slices of cucumber if you have one. Roll it up firmly. Slice it in half. That is your dinner. No heat, no pan, no mess beyond a knife and a plate. Ready in 3 minutes. Smoked salmon delivers 22 grams of protein per serving alongside 2 nutrients that most seniors are critically low in without ever realizing it. Vitamin B12 and DHA, a specific omega-3 fatty acid that directly fuels brain's cell membrane function. And here is the part most people have never heard. DHA, consumed at dinner, crosses the blood-brain barrier during the overnight hours, when your brain performs its nightly clearing of metabolic waste through the lymphatic system. Every wrap you eat for dinner is quietly supporting that overnight brain cleaning process while you sleep. Think about the evenings when dinner feels completely pointless, when the thought of preparing something, anything, feels heavier than the hunger itself. When you stand in the kitchen and nothing sounds worth the effort. This wrap was designed for that exact moment. It takes less time to assemble than it takes to decide what to make. And when it is sitting on your plate, it looks and feels like a dinner worth sitting down for. If you want more dinners built specifically around the reality of evenings alone after 60, hit the subscribe button right now. Because next week I will be sharing the 5 fastest no-cook dinners that take under 2 minutes and deliver more nutrition per serving than most cooked meals seniors make. No smoked salmon available? Canned salmon drained and flaked across the cream cheese works identically. No cucumber? Leave it out entirely. The wrap is complete without it. You deserve a dinner that meets you at the end of a long day without asking anything more from you. Dinner number 4. White bean and cucumber salad bowl. Open a can of white beans. Drain and rinse them into a bowl. Slice half a cucumber and add it alongside. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil over everything. Squeeze half a lemon on top. A pinch of salt. A gentle toss with a fork. That is your dinner. No heat. No stove. No standing longer than 2 minutes. Everything comes from a can, a refrigerator, and a cupboard shelf. 1 cup of white beans delivers 17 grams of plant-based protein alongside soluble fiber that does something most seniors have never been told about. After 60, the gut microbiome, the community of bacteria lining your digestive tract, begins declining in diversity at an accelerating rate. And that decline is directly linked to increased systemic inflammation, weakened immunity, and disrupted sleep quality. Soluble fiber from white beans is one of the most effective dietary tools for rebuilding gut microbiome diversity. Every bowl of this dinner is quietly repairing something most seniors never think about. And here is what makes this dinner uniquely important at the end of the day. Heavy protein meals consumed late in the evening can disrupt sleep by keeping digestion active through the night. Plant protein digests significantly more gently than animal protein, making this bowl one of the most sleep-friendly dinners available to seniors living alone. Nourishing enough to satisfy, light enough to let you rest. If your evenings have been disturbed by restless sleep, nighttime discomfort, or waking up feeling like your body never fully recovered overnight, what you eat for dinner is a more significant factor than most people realize. No cucumber at home? Any soft, raw vegetable works. Sliced celery, cherry tomatoes, or shredded carrot. No lemon? A small splash of apple cider vinegar delivers the same brightness. Some dinners quietly do their best work after you've gone to sleep. This is one of them. Dinner number 5. Egg salad and soft bread plate. Peel 2 pre-boiled eggs, boiled the night before, and stored in the refrigerator, ready whenever you need them. Chop them roughly into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and a small amount of mustard if you have it. Mix gently with a fork. Spoon onto 2 slices of soft bread. That is your dinner. No heat required. No standing. Ready in 4 minutes from the moment the refrigerator opens. 2 eggs deliver 18 grams of complete protein alongside choline, a nutrient found almost exclusively in egg yolks that most seniors are chronically deficient in without ever knowing it. And here is something most people have never connected about choline specifically. During sleep, your brain actively consolidates the memories and information absorbed throughout the day. Choline is the primary building block of acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that directly powers that overnight memory consolidation process. Dinner that protects your memory while you sleep. From 2 eggs and a slice of bread. Think about the evenings when appetite disappears entirely. When nothing sounds appealing and the only reason you consider eating is because you know you should. When familiar food is the only food that feels possible. This dinner was built for that evening specifically. Egg salad is soft. It is gentle. It asks nothing of your appetite that your appetite is not already willing to give. If this channel has been giving you dinners that actually fit the way you live, hit the like button right now. Because most nutrition content is built around people with full kitchens and full energy. This channel is built around your reality. And there's much more coming. No mustard at home. A small amount of plain yogurt stirred through the mayonnaise adds a gentle tang that works beautifully. No soft bread. Any cracker or plain wrap holds the egg salad just as well. On the evenings when familiar is exactly what you need, this dinner understands that completely. Dinner number 6. Sardine and olive oil crackers plate. Open a can of sardines packed in olive oil. Drain them gently onto a plate. Arrange a handful of olive oil crackers alongside. Add 2 or 3 slices of tomato, if you have one. A squeeze of lemon over the sardines. That is your dinner. No heat, no pan, no preparation beyond opening one can and arranging a plate. Ready in 90 seconds. One serving of sardines delivers 23 grams of complete protein alongside something most seniors have never heard discussed in the context of dinner: CoQ10. Coenzyme Q10 is a compound produced naturally inside every cell of your body that powers cardiac muscle contraction. After 60, your body's natural CoQ10 production declines by up to 50%. And sardines are one of the very few dietary sources that deliver meaningful amounts of CoQ10 directly through food. Every plate of this dinner is quietly supporting your heart muscle function through the night, at a cost of less than $2 per serving. And here is the part that matters most for seniors living alone on a fixed income. Sardines are the single most affordable complete protein source available in any grocery store anywhere. More protein per dollar than chicken. More omega-3s per serving than most fish sold at 10 times the price. More calcium per serving than a glass of milk, because you eat the soft bones alongside without ever noticing them. If the idea of sardines feels unfamiliar or slightly uncertain, that hesitation is worth pushing through just once. Because what this dinner delivers nutritionally for the price it costs is genuinely unmatched by almost anything else on a grocery shelf. No sliced tomato at home? Any soft vegetable alongside works perfectly. Cucumber slices, a few olives, or even a small handful of leafy greens. No olive oil crackers? Any plain cracker delivers the same result. The most affordable dinner on this entire list is also one of the most powerful ones your body will ever receive. Dinner number 7. Warm hummus and soft vegetable plate. Spoon a generous portion of store-bought hummus onto a plate. Arrange whatever soft vegetables you have alongside. Sliced cucumber, jarred roasted peppers, cherry tomatoes. Warm a pita or a few crackers for 30 seconds in the microwave if you like. A drizzle of olive oil over the hummus. That is your dinner. No cooking beyond 30 optional seconds. Ready in 3 minutes. One generous serving of hummus delivers 14 grams of plant protein alongside 3 nutrients most seniors never hear discussed together: magnesium, iron, and zinc. And here's what makes this combination uniquely powerful at dinner specifically. Magnesium consumed in the evening directly improves sleep onset speed and reduces the nighttime leg cramps that pull so many seniors out of deep sleep. Iron supports overnight oxygen delivery to muscle tissue during the repair cycle that only occurs during deep sleep. And zinc directly regulates melatonin production inside the pineal gland, your body's primary sleep hormone. This is not just a light dinner. It is a dinner that actively prepares your body for the most restorative sleep it can get. Most seniors living alone never connect their poor sleep quality to what they ate for dinner. But the final meal of the day shapes the overnight recovery your body performs more significantly than most people realize. Every plate of this dinner is sending your body a signal before you even close your eyes that tonight is a night for real rest. No store-bought hummus? Mashed canned chickpeas with olive oil and a pinch of salt delivers identical nutrition in 2 minutes. No pita? Any soft cracker works perfectly alongside. You made it to the end of another day. This dinner is the right way to close it. 7 dinners. 0 cooking. Every one built around one reality. Your evenings, your energy, and what is actually possible when the day has already taken everything it is going to take. Tuna and avocado rice bowl. 28 grams of protein and omega-3s reducing arterial stiffness while you sleep. Cottage cheese and roasted pepper flatbread. Calcium your bones absorb more effectively at dinner than any other meal of the day. Smoked salmon and cream cheese wrap. DHA, supporting your brain's overnight cleaning process while you rest. White bean and cucumber salad bowl. Soluble fiber, quietly rebuilding your gut microbiome through the night. Egg salad and soft bread plate. Choline powering the memory consolidation your brain performs every night during sleep. Sardine and olive oil crackers plate. 23 grams of protein and Coke 10, supporting your heart muscle at less than $2. Warm hummus and soft vegetable plate. Magnesium, iron, and zinc preparing your body for the most restorative sleep it can get. You do not need to make all 7 tonight. Pick the one that felt most manageable. Make it this evening and notice how different it feels to end the day with something that actually looked after you. That feeling, small as it seems, is what consistent nourishment after 60 is built on. Eating well in the evening does not require a full kitchen or energy you no longer have. It requires the right dinner. Dinner should never be the hardest part of your day. Now, it does not have to be. Which of these 7 dinners are you making tonight? Drop in the comments. I read every single one. Hit the like button if this helped you. And subscribe so you do not miss next week, where I will be covering the 7 fastest no-cook lunches for seniors living alone that take under 3 minutes. You're not too tired to eat well tonight. You just needed the right dinner. Now you have it.